Congratulations, you get to see your buddy Billy again here at Zeigler Toyota of Racine, and here I am to show you how to change your tire on the 2020 4Runner. Right over here we have this side compartment. Panel just pops right off. This is going to be your jack and then your roadside tool kit. What we already have set up over here is going to be the tool needed and set up to lower the tire that is underneath the 4Runner in the back. There is a little slot that this tool fits into, and once it fits in, we can begin turning it counterclockwise, and the tire will begin to lower underneath the vehicle. Once it does hit the ground, you can lower the chain and pull the chain away from the tire, and then start worrying about your jack and getting your vehicle all jacked up. Alright, first thing first, we're going to put our jack underneath the frame. Make sure it's secure, and it is in fact the frame. Alright, save yourself some time. You could start jacking up the jack to the desired height to make it to the frame before putting it under there, or else you're going to be sitting here spinning it all day and night. And then you're going to hook it with the tool, and we're going to continue to spin it, and it will slowly start to raise our jack and the vehicle. Alright, once you have your vehicle jacked up and the tire is off the ground and you can freely move it, you can begin to take off the tire. Now, one thing to remember is you should check your lugs to make sure none of them are locking lugs. In this case, we do have locking lugs on this vehicle, in which case you're going to need the star locking lug key that should be in your vehicle's jack kit. Alright, for that one lug, you are going to put this key on your normal tire iron to have it removed, and it should just fit right in the grooves just like that, and you should be able to get a very positive audible click once it's inserted. For the rest of them, you could just use your tire iron as needed. And when it comes to putting the tire back on, always practice the star pattern with tightening. Go to the top, then the bottom, top left, bottom right, top right, bottom left. And that way you could have your tire secured without it being on crooked. Alright, now that you know how to change the tire on the 4Runner, if you have any other questions or are looking for your new ride, you can come and find me, Billy, here at Zeigler Toyota of Racine.